We are here in Brussels for the full Digital Ocean Week. There are two phases. The first that we meet with the Copernicus marine pillar community. I mean, the one that has been implemented Copernicus since more than 10 years now. That is very solid. This is the one that is able to operational models, provide forecast, process satellite data, in-situ observations, and bring together everything to provide this. And then we return to the first artificial intelligence Ocean Forum. We are exploring state-of-the-art innovation and see how we can combine this new digital technology with this Copernicus Marine Foundation, but also the other marine services that we have in Europe, such as EMONNet for all this data management and others. We are ready to accelerate. This marine and digital community in Europe is super talented. We have the skills to do more and faster, but we need to really have a frame. And we have in Europe this frame that is the Ocean Pact, and the operational component of the Ocean Pact is called OceanEye. Now, this is something that has been announced by the European Commission to really set the scene for what regards ocean observations, ocean monitoring at large, and prepare decision support tools. We have the OceanEye event. So this is the event that we need with the European Commission. One occasion to meet with Member of Parliament, Member of the European Commission, and the Commissioner Cadiz himself will be present. Member States, stakeholders, digital and marine science, and the international players such as IOC, UNESCO. So we have this super occasion to think about the frame that is necessary at the international level, how we can, at the European level, contribute to this, how we can align this scientific and digital innovation and operational service that we do propose here with the governance and propose something that can be exemplary. We signed this agreement with IOC UNESCO to say what we will do ourselves with the European digital ocean infrastructures and what we do at the international level to connect all the digital ocean infrastructures worldwide is something that resonates very well and that is fully aligned with what is doing IOC UNESCO for the global ocean observing system. We know that the ocean change is accelerating, so we as a community, we must accelerate, and we are completely ready to do that.